The all-new InfiniRack from NConnect offers a number of features and accessories designed to maximize airflow efficiency and eliminate hotspots and high-density deployments. The top and bottom panels are fitted with dual-layer brush-sealed cable openings that allow for cable pass-through and limit airflow leakage from within the cabinet. They feature toolless installation, making them easy to replace whenever necessary. Each equipment mounting rail on the 800mm wide version has 5 openings for cable pass-through. These openings are sealed with rubber grommets that can easily be cut to conform to the cable density. The grommets not only reduce bypass airflow, but also serve as an edge protector for the cables. The optional air dam kit seals the perimeter of the front pair of equipment mounting rails, improving efficiency by minimizing bypass airflow. Check out InfiniRack and more of our high-quality products at inconnect.com and see how our innovative solutions can help you. We are NConnect, born to innovate.